my people, my people, my people. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good morning, wherever you're watching me from. This is 6 o'clock European time, 9 minutes after 6. My brothers and sisters, greeting to my leaders, greeting to my faithful leaders all over the world as APC Forum, Edo State, my fatherland. I greet all of them. The leaders, the papa them, my POS, Pastor Sagize Yamu, Tuale Daddy, I give you cap. That is my comrades, Adam Aleo Shomle, Daddy, official, your son comrades, salute. Greeting to my people. Today Friday weekend, as we continue enjoy the Friday, first of all, in the morning, I was in audio video to my people to let my people understand that whatever you wish to your brother or to your friends, if you wish it good, the good will come unto you. When you wish him bad, the bad must surely reply back to the sender. That is our prayer. Always. May God bless you, brothers and sisters. This is your boy, Ige, your son, Comrade John Inezena Ibiuzugbe, aka Voice of Justice, PFS Second in Command, anti-corruption activist, anti-corruption crusader, and a big supporter, a big presenter to APC Forum in Edoland, especially my leader, Pastor Osage Andrew Izeyamu, the APC candidates in Edo States. My brother, my sisters, I believe this your small boy, your son, it's not a son that we've been describing himself for long for you to understand who is this man. You can watch my video right from the origin. We call it origin. When we know say Kasala begin boss in Benin Kingdom, APC to APC. Some of our leaders, they begin fights the upper, even the national leaders, even the chairmen. So we look the reality, we look the incident, we do the investigation, we see and say, man, this is oppression. Oppression is not well allowed. Since we live People Freedom Movement, PFF organization all over the world, we fight for freedom and justice. We speak for the voice who don't have more louder more than us. You can see my voice very louder, We defend the voiceless. Whom we know say on that day they're ready for you to go shit your polling units. They don't care whether they're Odu. They don't care whether they be Obiogwe. But on that day when you call them out, they sit down for you to temperate. Say, come and be my governor. Come and be my senate. Come and be my whatever. But when you continue ignoring them, what we call ignoring, when it comes to the fruit of labor, now you will say, man, they are nothing, they are inconsequential. So we are there for you, and we are there 247. That is why we remain People Freedom Movement. To let you know, say, brother, that is not the way you have to treat your people. Promise affair is a sin. So, brothers and sisters, why am I saying this? We start this game since 2016 when we begin to see some kind error, mistaken, and do backward in the name of cement. 36 states in Nigeria, many states have fasted more than Edo State in the name of developments, in the name of electricity, in the name of road construction, in the name of infrastructure, job employing, We see in many states, the fastest month at the Edo State. So we begin ask the present governor or the present administration, say, man, what's up? What is going on? Can't you see Ebony? Can't you see Calabar, Kano, Kaduna arrests? Even your old neighbor there, Governor Wike, can't you see what he's doing for his people? What are you waiting, bro? Now we see him say, man, the money now begin transfer to one Dubai equity. We can say, okay. This is our brother, our son. We have a word for him. And we started. We begin unleash in anywhere, any corner to defend our fatherland and to defend our leaders who know say, where we know say they are already do for our people and they are preparing to do for our people. My people, sorry, pardon me, why am I saying this? I'm introducing myself when the game started on social media. You understand? When I see my leader, my comrade, Clement Edegbe, the PFF president, when he stands, say, hey, son, this is the other way. I will follow. Anywhere Edegbe go, I must surely be there to defend our leaders. So, my brothers and sisters, I make this video for you to understand that whatever belongs to me as a son of Edo land, please stay away for you to touch, hey, this is your share. Because I'm introducing this, the beginning of, say, hey, I'm a Saige supporter. I'm a Godwin Obaseki, I'm a Adamalio supporter. I'm a Comrade supporter. First person that started it is Comrade Clement Edegbe, the PFM leader. I am the second, Comrade John Inezena Ibuzogbe, aka Voice of Justice. And I started with him. The third is Andrew Omofawan. So we fight these fights and we continue. Not maybe because we depend on anybody, but we continue in the struggle. But we are saying some of our brother when we call food is ready. Everything my son food is ready. My begging in the name of say they want to come out and tell us say where immediately with 2016 to this time where my mind in Magao, but in our say. But my brothers, my sisters who carry this game, who try to create what's so called group of Mokpai and Yafowe or group of so called this is the time I will block those guys that have been working since then and let me operate as the number one. Bro, we are there to unleash on you and we know you people. We don't scared. Believe me. Believe me. We are not scared of you and we will surely remain to let you understand, say, my bros, your food is ready. Because we are not telling you Tana. But I can see some of my brothers and sisters who understand where now go and kill yourself. It cannot help you where a position on us will be in the name of say where you are a supporter to POI or you are a supporter to anybody. Well, when you do time where immediately we 2016 without imago to APC, imago to PDP, imago to anybody, I always stand with POI and Clement Edegbe. When you do time who want say, okay, we can cow. Ruda where I make as a little many catani as a army. And as a Kemeni, you know, say where Okbana, Okamu dia you vienine, and Okasun Kurane, Okaswemiane, because of this support of PO, I know many things I lose. Any yakata, my leader way Clement Edegbena Gwangu ye losing me. Any yakata we may lose because why? As a president, he ain't don't lose. I'm a women ball at the second in command for the People Freedom Movement. So in the only time why you hear Dominuzomo, and in the only time why my people who call themselves Edos and who call themselves food is ready, bros 247, we are here to let you understand that there is a amiegezelimen ezekeme ekazekeme awamie amiegezelimen. You understand? The game never started. The ball is just the start. So the game is just the prepare. So in the name of Semen, we are waiting for 2023. If you are there, let me see you. But bros, men that stand the foundation in the name of Semen, I have to support my leader without no call. It might here where pani support you where. It might here where Erionona Sunua. But based on freedom, People Freedom Movement as a human rights organization, bros, we see what our people is doing, so we have to support them so that they can do it better. But we're not doing where Emiya Fefe the Maga Hawuni where because was it a POS because our comrade Adam and Leo Shomule who are Jimmy Kugbe or whatever, bros, we are here to tell you where, bros, my baby networking now for more than 4 to 5 years now. Ego Meya where I never received any penny from anybody apart from Clement Edegbe and all my fans. Iye no man as my leader, Iyowa of this platform. Tina, Mother Tina follow you based in UK. There and the Bayepa PFM mother in Spain. Those are the people in where with John, with the charging network with John. Tell this one, tell all your network. If not those people. And some of our brother, like Bright Obaze from UK. If not those people, bros, I never know what to be social media things or whatever texts concerning supporting to anybody. But I know say where for my heart, who I'm working for, he must only remember me with 10 come. But it don't better anywhere. Remember, man, you as a food is ready organization. Bros, don't let me give you some prayer in this 2021. Sister, don't let me give you some prayer in this 2021. When I lead some prayers on you, I believe this 2021, it will be zigzag and it will be rugged for you. Please, take what belongs to you. That is why when I start the music, I say, give what belongs to Caesar, and give what belongs to yourself and take it. But if you are trying to tell me, or you are trying to tell my leader, or you are trying to tell your word that you are the one that love POI pass, we are here to let you understand where, brother. Very much, everybody may receive it with the POI, we may receive it, but whenever we soon, bros, let's carry your fans and my fans more way. You know, say now we be PFM, People Freedom Movement. We know the dolly for catapult. We believe on counterpunch. You understand? Because I'm not telling my way, you don't feel know who I am. Maybe they look me for video. You say me this man, or they look me for this. Obama man, I'm a well organized, hustling man, go home and away. Iwe bobo, the yako komoko kame. You understand? I'm a road construction in this place. Good security officer in this place, France, where I base. You understand? I work in work of government, the government recognize. When I'm going on a COVID-19, a lockdown, and you bet. Yeah, here with the police be a few bomber because where they know what I'm doing. So here on the bug. But when the bug you want to sit down on social media to be collecting what belongs to Caesar, we are here to tell you where bros Okioa elele today. Okioa elele today we sit down gidigba to give you catapults. Unless position yourself when the cat I see where even though you are POI, they sleep the same room. Bros, when it comes to battle, in the time of battle, you are sleeping there. You are still sleeping, but we, the People Freedom Movement, we are on air, on leash in only anybody that come out to try bring POI down. Go and watch all my video. If not, because Daniel have deleted my video, Naja Wash have deleted my video, go and watch a lot of my video. Or come to my platform, People Freedom Movement, Voice of Justice platform, Johnny Bizugbe platform, Modi Obas platform. Just go inside Facebook, you will see me over there. Right from the origin, you understand? Okay? From Sowore, we come to the APC. So I don't hide myself. Go reach my village. Nobody where I know listen. In the name of say, make POI come to power. If we are seeing maybe all listen, make the feel vote for POI. I never see what you don't do. I listen them. Bros, Abat na my cousin. For 5 years now, I take fight Abat. Bros, I never see what you don't do. If you don't take time, you that want to create Mokpa and Yafowe, or they want to stand for and take what belongs to Caesar, we are here to let you understand that, bros, Okiwa, Eleni Retode, I don't depend on anybody, but when I help you, if you give me gift, I will receive it. That is all I know. It might depend in Yamanapa, but in a binanwe, in a women where, unak moment, ruda where Okmo say, or when I win, you say, away. We do not moment. Say, hey, my son, thank you. I've never received call from anybody since I continue support even Goris, all of them. Goris, Tony Kabaka, No Molest. Those are my comrades. So we will not go to the up, say my POI or Adam Ali or Somila or the rest. But 247, I deal with them. When Edwin in the house, I want to bring Tony Kabaka down. 247. Go and watch my video. I continue unleash to tomorrow. I see the unleash on him on Edwin in the house because of say what Tony have done for you and your family, your wife, bros. If you do one for person, that person, if he talk to you, if maybe he drink water, he don't drink and well. He put up for the place where not fit that up, bros. I know what that man go do. So people when they say go follow, go German office there. If they fuck them up, I know someone when they come on social media come and talk in the name of say where he and say no now. I'm not waiting no what to come on here. On that time, now this guy because of Godwin Obaseki come to social media that is Edwin that also it begin unleash on Tony Tabaka. He unleash. They destroyed the house. Bros, I don't rest one day. Go and watch on my video. So today, any mega where me mime me or one POI or one Tony said. Do what Tony said. When Tony was in battle, in trial, why did you not bring yourself and chest down? I know many of them, like all those Obaseki commenters, Gwamba, comrades, Agbabu Erio, this Dennis Yama, a lot of them. Go and watch. Go reach Bush Lion. Nothing where they not do me for this social media. Go reach this woman called Untouchable Mama. Nothing where they not do me for this media. Even go reach Mama Joy, when AKA the then again, where she even gets married to my family. Nothing where she not do me for this social media. She sought my father. She sought how my father lived before my father died. She formed a lie against my father. So a lot of things I collect because of this POI must stand. You that we know say you just sleep there. Now you want to come and tell me say you will be my leader or you will be the first to the gate. Bros, fais attention avec Monsieur Ibizugbe. Vous êtes compris quoi? You understand? Oye. Mira, cuando tú no has visto mi cara ahora, luego vamos a visto. Pero ahora yo estoy malaroso. Hombre, mira, attention avec moi, mon frère. You understand? If you like, say you want to cover my face Bros, baby go where so I never start to unleash on you. So be clear for my roots and focus for where you belong to and give what belong to Caesar. But if you want to come up and tell me, say, my bros, all what I'm doing for 5 years, I'm just wasting my time, my credits, the insult to the family. So tell me and my wife go get issue in the name of say, my bros, anyone who support now, what I've been doing for you. So then, God will use me, I'll be arranging me here. But I never see you people that they one day call me say, hey, bros, ikpome where me no uno sage, ikpome where me no uno Tony, ikpome where me no uno Kaftosa, or comrade Adam or Leo somewhere. I never see anybody. But when it comes to the time where if you only answer say, now you want to come up and talk me, and told me, and took go there. Bros, I'm coming on you and to kick ya wag your dory. Ya wag your dory, boy with this my voice when I take sit down for media, when I take defend or defendable, I still remain. Bros, ya when I go unleash on you, sister. Ya anywhere there I go unleash on you. But at this moment, be careful what you are doing now. If you are a friend to POI, follow that friendship. But don't use Peter shirt to take cover. If you use Peter shirt take cover, when you know say man, the time when Peter was fighting, bros, you are there sleeping. You are there writing whatever you want to write. It doesn't bring your face on social media. When it comes to the time of favorable, bros, you want to say, hey, you are the tiger and the lion, bros, we will crush you. By the time they call out the tiger and the lion, when they begin crush us, bros, we're not there. And the time when we take command, when we say, yes, we have to crush them, and we begin crush them. And that time we take command too. And that time we take command. We know now. Bros, do where they respect their lay so that everybody are mature. Let's call ourselves presenter and we respect yourself. As our bros, not be say me I go dolly for you, not be say I go run for you. I go chest down, and if I fall down, give you bros, now you go wrong. Believe me, because of POI, I know how many people I pursue enter social media, pursue enter house for this social media. Because of Adam Aleo Shomule, I know how many people I pursue enter house for this social media. Because of Clement Eranomigo Edegbe, I know how many people I pursue enter house for this social media who try to bring their time. But when it comes to the time of same investigation, I will deal with all of them. So, bros, give what belongs to Caesar, and take what belongs to you. Don't cover my face. No saloboa beki Jesu no ge. My brother. Kodu kude kisode. No do bless you. Oma hagiere. Or a man of getting no do bless him any bros. You want like come tell me say even in mega uni wo bob imam you bros. La wo the red the egbo. The red the egbo egbegbewe. La wo the red the egbo egbegbewe kedukere. La wo no you mwese fa. La wo the package no boy siola yeke. La wo ruda where bros, the time when I dey fight where people they unleash on me, you are not there, you are sleeping, you are laughing. Now, this is the time for the favorable. Fais attention avec moi, mon gars. S'il te plaît. Fais attention avec moi. Quand tu n'es pas fait ça, mon gars, il attend tous les jours pour la faire la combat, mon gars. Vous avez compris quoi? Yes. If you don't want to understand, bros, I'm waiting for you every day by day to unleash on you. For you to understand where, bros, you can't defeat me and you can't defeat my movements. And I will continue to remain loyal and big supporter to POI. Nothing will change it. And I will continue to remain loyal and big second in command to Mega Comrades, Officer Clement Eranomigo, and those, my leaders, when we know say, people want like oppress them in the name of they don't do for them. They don't do for people based on say they just come on one way. They want like unleash on them. Bros, we will never agree. That is why when I do audio this morning, you that be announcing Castellosa death or that be saying a source of word concerning Castellosa, God Almighty is there for you to make sure say akwiri or you and you must collect unless you stop it. A prayer na ma pray when you pray ni viere a na ma na when you nani viere ro de arioba ogasu egbe wason ogasu awe awupopo na ya gbiyale ari agbiyawo emi nu ma da wo give ogasu owa. Believe me, you can't escape it. Or some those social media live presenter, unless you stop all those your fake rumors you are trying to bring to Edo State and this but and you will stop all those your nonsense you are doing concerning that family. Castellosa is well lived and is very strong and is moving and everything is complete. You that carry that fake rumors, bros. So this message, you just go to my people. When we know say my people, say my brother, this social media saga, it go too high for this 2021. In the name of say you want to collect what belongs to me. Know yourself and know yourself. I don't want to mention name. I know all of them, both in one Canada, England, or whatever. I know all of them. But when time come, as I mention your name, bros, I dey start you journal with insult and whatever. If you have time, my bros, Uga TV, Uga TV, Uga Bob, because why? You were sleeping then. So, Menaku, where TV, over here, all what you just know now, bros, get up from my side and focus on where you belong to. If you say less, bros, and guy, our bishop bezo, our yonayoto, our eladia. But for now, this is first warning because if bego wuwa wukneha, amatato wuwa wa beko no wena, atato wuwa ibege weka, and ibege can waya elala, ekin wananani wa bege. Bros, una go see what it be. So God bless you everyone. I don't too much get talk. I say now bros, look how we okay ya we. Okay ya we. Because why? It can be na anything. So God bless you everyone. I don't too much get talk. But time come when I want to get message from my people. Time come, I get day, I have a message. I got the message because I can hear Agbin wherever. Understand? I can hear Agbin wherever. So where TV mo bow to. I'm about to get time now. I'm coming, bros. I don't get time for saying and pleading and insults. So be careful, stay away from my mission. If you are a supporter, go and follow your lane. For example, you want to block my own way, bros. God is going to strike you. Believe me. So let them do my own before I take my own way. You understand? I gave him before the whole Edo because of POIs. But I not shake because Ematanita almost don't give a friend on it. You understand? Because he and my head can make me. But you want to come and block me? Hey, guy, fais attention, mon gars. Fais attention avec moi. S'il te plaît, I'm begging you. When I come back, it's going to rough. Believe me. God bless you, my people. Respect what belongs to you. Don't let enemy collect time for you for this 2021. Stand for your position. If you not show up on it, don't ask for it. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Tomorrow we'll be on back online. We have a lot of issues. We are investigating some issues that the Mahado Muladian. Let's get them clear. We are still in the court in the name of Siemens. Plus, we cannot submit for Donald Trump. Never. Donald Trump is going to submit for us. So, APC is still in the court. You know who is Donald Trump, who I'm talking about. You know that. So, we are still in the court 247. The case is now higher. So, we can never submit for Donald Trump. Trump is going to submit for us. He will leave Osadebe Avenue for us. We can never leave Osadebe Avenue for Donald Trump for this second 4 years. God bless you, everyone. We are still here. The commission is still going on. 247 cases on court. She said, I pay court to William Boy, the court of Aaron Boy. God bless you, everyone. I greet you, my people. Respect my people. Bye for now. May God bless you. And I will continue to respect my followers. I will continue giving people maximum respect. Because without you now, I'm nothing. They are one. For me, who they carry my news now. If not, I don't share that, bros, I be nothing, I don't get level. Now when I share that, I get level. Now they go hear my voice. So I will continue giving them maximum respect. All my fans, all my followers, all over the world. Remember blessed. This 2021, we are going to enjoy it together. For blessing. Continue to share the video. God bless you, everyone. Continue to share the video. God bless you, everyone. So, my people, your pack can be very well. A month and a row, do we matter? I don't know. But we're not here where this is my time, bros. Don't change my way, bro. Understand? Don't change my way, bro. So we are trying to change my way. It can't like it because why? So this is the time for me to know what is. Thank you very much, my son. Thank you for what you have been doing for me on my behalf. So, bro, Edwa loka ome woda ome. I say not my way. I made ezelime. Or yame with video done because why? When the battle was there, haughty, bros, you didn't want corner sleepy or for me, hey, boy, yeah, we're sure. So this is the time for me to tell you, say, we are still in the battle. The Jungle Boy is still in the battle, and I'm 247. I stand with the Jungle Boy because I am the one, voice of justice. I am the one that named it Jungle Boy, POI. Because why? Everyone now my area be this. So I will continue deliver without no stop. God bless you, everyone. Remember bless. We are together. God bless. Bless you, everyone. Respect. I greet you. Brothers, I am there. Continue. Share this video. Heavy. You are blessed. Oh. So God bless you, everyone. Bye for now. Respect. Let me leave you people for now. Tomorrow, Saturday, by 7 o'clock European time, France time, we are together to bail ourselves, to tell ourselves the truth, so that the truth shall set us free. Without it, we will not tell ourselves the truth. This betrayal will still continue, and we will stop this betrayal in this 2021. Believe me. Can you imagine? and women, you are not there. Even the comment, you are not commenting. Even the sharing, you are not sharing. You know, now, about we don't tell what TPOI. Was it a POS? Was it a Adamalio Shomulese? Again, now all these all those Pashoko, human trafficker, all layers human trafficker on social media. Now we see, we don't see, we don't defeat them. And so the court will belong to them. Now, about what I were more POS. I was a POI classmate. I was a POI director. Fais attention au gars. If not, j'arrive dans la route. J'arrive dans la route. Il y a